Hope everyone had a great week and you're ready for the weekend. Today I'm frying up some fish. This fish was caught way down in South Georgia. I'm originally from South Georgia. Steve went down to Fort Oglethorpe, Georgia, which that's up here in northwest Georgia. It's really close to the Tennessee line, to have lunch with a friend a couple of weeks ago. And Steve met this friend in high school many years ago, and his friend now lives down in Richmond Hill, Georgia. And he does a lot of fishing, and he was kind enough to bring us some fish. And look at this. I haven't been fishing in forever, but I used to love going fishing. I'm super excited about this fish, so I'm going to let a few pieces thaw out and make some later on today. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to make these fish with a keto breading. I may make a few pieces for Steve with regular flour breading, but we're starting out with a keto. First, make sure you got your skillet with the oil in it heating on the stove. I use my cast iron skillet and the heat is on medium. On my stove, that is number 6. And keto breading is super simple to make. All you need is some pork skins, shaker cheese, and seasonings. I'm using spicy pork skins because I like that flavor. I could be using my big blender, but I'm too lazy to get it off the top shelf of the pantry. So I'm just going to be using my small Ninja to make these. You just want to grind the pork skins up. Pour them in a bowl. Mix it with about 1/4 of a cup to 1/2 a cup of shaker cheese, also known as Parmesan cheese, and whatever spices you want to add. So I'm just going to be adding garlic powder and smoked paprika. And I'm not doing any salt because these pork rinds already have more than enough salt on them. I'm going to whisk a couple of eggs in this pie plate. Pour my breading in this pie plate. Dip the fish in the egg. Then you want to dip it in the breading. And with this keto breading, I press it down onto the fish to make sure it sticks good. This keto breading is not like flour, so you want to make sure it doesn't fall off. So I always just press it in good and make sure it's sticking. Now I'm going to set that over there, and I'm going to keep on breading these fish until all of them are breaded. You want to make sure your oil is hot enough before you drop the fish. So all I do is get a little breading, drop it in the oil, and if it sizzles to the top, then you're good to go. It's important to make sure the oil is hot enough anytime you're frying anything, or you're going to end up with a greasy mess. I'm going to fry this for about 3 minutes on each side. It doesn't take long to fry fish. So I want to say thank you to Chris for the fish. Chris also has a YouTube channel. It's called Nichols Retirement Empire, and I will put a link in the video description so y'all can go check him out. He does a lot of fishing videos on retirement life. He's done a few sightseeing videos around Savannah recently. He's got a lot of different stuff on his channel, so just go stop by and leave him a comment. There's a whole lot to do and see down in Savannah. That's where I was born. My sister and I, we took a vacation there back in, I think it was 2018. It might have been 2019. I can't remember now. It was a few years ago, and we stayed in a bed and breakfast in the historic district. It was a lot of fun. Then we went down to Jekyll Island, where we stayed in a hotel on the beach, and we went down to Kingsland to visit my great aunt. And we did a whole lot on that trip because we ended up going down to St. Mary's, and we took the ferry across to Cumberland Island. We about killed ourselves walking too much on Cumberland Island. It was fun, though. That was before the dreaded virus that got me in 2020 and stole most of my energy away. Oh, yeah, I wanted to talk about my giveaway, too. And I'm spiderwebbing, y'all. I do that when I don't have everything written down. I kind of get off topic and go from here to there, so bear with me. Okay, so my next Come Shop With Me giveaway, it's past due for me to have this giveaway. I'm going to be doing it different because I don't have the time or energy to go to South Pittsburgh anytime soon, and there's a lot going on here, and it's difficult for us to get away. So the last time I did it, we did a live YouTube shop with the winner at the Lodge Factory store in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee. And that was a lot of fun, and it was interesting. And we learned some ways to improve and things like that. But the winner of that one got to go shopping with me via YouTube Live at the Lodge store in South Pittsburgh, and they were able to spend $50. Well, this time I'm going to be giving the winner a $50 Amazon gift card so you can buy what you want. If you want cast iron, there is a Lodge store on Amazon. I have a lot of cast iron linked on my Amazon page as well. But the way prices are going up on everything, I figure some people may not want to spend it on cast iron. They may need something that they need to buy. So this will be a way for you to spend it on whatever you want or need. So to be entered, you just want to comment on this video. You don't have to say anything specific or answer any questions like I normally have you do. Just leave a comment and you're going to be entered. Easy peasy. Okay, let me think of a date. You have until Sunday, November 5th at 3 o'clock. That's Eastern Time. 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time to leave a comment. If you haven't left a comment by then, you will not be entered in the drawing. So anyone that's left a comment on this video by November 5th at 3 p.m. Eastern Time will be entered in the drawing. Then I will post the winner the next day. When I do my Monday bird video, I'll announce the winner at the beginning of the video. Then the winner just needs to email me their email address, and they have 48 hours to claim the prize. If you don't claim the prize within 48 hours, I will be drawing another winner. Oh, I forgot my disclaimer. This is not being sponsored by YouTube. This is something I do all on my own. YouTube has no part of it. I'm sure I was supposed to say something a little different than that, but that basically sums it up. Okay, so the fish appears to be frying up nicely. Look at those. I have never deep fried fish with the keto breading before. I've oven fried chicken and it turned out good. And to be honest with y'all, we don't need this fried food, but this is the only way I want to eat this fish. So if it clogs my arteries, so be it. It smells like it's going to be worth it. Okay, that turned out better than I expected. Look at that. That looks so drool worthy. Okay, I will be back in a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and cook up the rest of these, and then I will let Steve do a review to end the video. Okay, you're going.
That was good.
So you like the keto crust?
Yeah.
Or breading, I should
spicy
say.
pork rinds are good. This is so good. Yeah. It's got a real good flavor to it. The breading, I thought you said it was spicy, but it's not very spicy.
I made it with spicy pork rinds. It's a keto breading.
It's really good.
Which goes great with your tater tots.
Yeah, I'm sure.
This is my plate.
Yeah.
We got some broccoli and some fish. And I got 2 more pieces over there for dinner.
This is really good.
I would have done it in your regular batter, but you're about having to go You're about to have to go to work.
Yeah. It's
and
good.
I didn't have time. I got to go to work too.
Yeah, this is good. I could eat on this for days.
Well, we need to thank somebody, don't we?
Yeah, thank you, Chris. And for all of you that like to watch fishing videos mainly, Nichols Retirement Empire is a friend of mine from high school. We both transferred to a school on the same day, and I thought he had been there a while, and he probably thought I'd been there a while. But it was both our first day at soccer practice. That's where we met. So
they've known each other for a very long time, because high school was how many years ago?
Oh, wow. That would have been fall of 1981. So, what's that? 42 years ago? Wow.
Steve has a lot of friends from high school.
Yeah.
He didn't move around like I did.
And Chris has moved around a little bit, but his parents still live in Chickamauga, and he'd come up to see them. And so we had lunch one day, and he brought me some fish, which I am very grateful for.
Yes, I'm very thankful for it too, although I haven't tried it yet, but I'm fixing to, because...
And he caught them out of the some of them he caught out of the river where my wife grew up.
Oh, he caught some of these out of the Geechee River?
Yeah, I believe so. So anyway, thanks, Chris. And drool-worthy, double thumbs up.
All right. Thanks for the review. Well, there you have it. Keto breaded fried fish that gets the drool-worthy stamp of approval. Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe for more do-it-yourself projects, gardening, bird videos, and drool-worthy human and dog treats. Y'all have a blessed weekend.